Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a review of 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication. 348 times 27 is our first example problem, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. Eight times 7, so getting ahead of myself here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply the digits in the ones place. So we are going to multiply 8 times 7 to start. Now 8 times 7 equals 56. So we're going to put a 6 in the ones place, and then the 5 and 56 we have to carry over to the tens place. 4 times 7 equals 28. We have to add the 5 that we carried over. 28 plus 5 equals 33. Now the 3 and 33 is going to go in the tens place. The other 3 in the number 33 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 3 times 7 equals 21. Plus 3 equals 24. So far we have multiplied 348 times 7. Next we have to multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Now, since both numbers in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. 8 times 2 equals 16. 6, carry the 1. 4 times 2 equals 8. Plus 1 equals 9. Now, we do not need to regroup here because our product is less than 10. If our product is 9 or less, regrouping is not needed. Next, we multiply 3 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. Hi, welcome to the chat. Glad you're here. So now to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 4 plus 9 equals 13. 3 carry the 1. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Plus 1 equals 9. And we have our final answer. 348 times 27 equals 9,396. $9,396 is our final answer. All right. We are now moving on to example problem number 2. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button. Really helps the algorithm. Shout out to the person that already did hit the like button. All right, next example problem. 853 times 34. So we are going to start out by multiplying. Shout out to the person that already hit the like button. I appreciate you. We're going to start off by multiplying the digits in the ones place. So 3 times 4 equals 12. So we're going to put 2 in the ones place. The 1 in the number 12 gets carried over to the tens place. 5 times 4 equals 20. Plus 1 equals 21. So the 1 in 21 goes in the tens place. The 2 in 21 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 8 times 4 equals 32. Plus 2 equals 34. So far, we have multiplied the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the ones place. Next, we have to multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we got to put a 0 in the ones place. So 3 times 3 equals 9. We do not need to regroup there because our product is less than 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5, carry the 1. 8 times 3 equals 24. Plus 1 equals 25. Now to get our final answer, we got to add these two numbers together. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 1 carry the 0 carry the 1. 0 carry the 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Plus 5 equals 10 again. 0 carry the 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Plus 5 equals 9. 0 plus 2 equals 9. And we have our final answer. 853 times 34 equals 29,002. All right, moving on to example problem number 3. We got about 2 more example problems, and then we are going to call it a live stream. All right, example number 3 coming right up. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. It's the Mr. C. It's the Mr. Camilleri show. Shout out to Mr. C. All right, 727 times 91. So starting in the ones place, it actually starts off pretty easy. Anything multiplied by 1 is going to equal the number itself. 7 times 1 equals 7. 2 times 1 equals 2. 7 times 1 again equals 7. And we did not need to do any regrouping because all of our products were less than 10. So far we have multiplied 727 times 1. Now we got to multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. Now it gets a little more complicated here, but I'm going to go through it. 7 times 9 equals 63. We do have to regroup because anytime our product is 10 or more, we have to regroup. So the 3 in 63 goes in the tens place. The 6 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 2 times 9 equals 18. We have to add the 6 that we carried over. 18 plus 6 equals 24. So the 4 and 24 goes in the hundreds place. The 2 and 24 gets carried over to the thousands place. Seven times 9 again equals 63. 63 plus 2 equals 65. So now we have to add these two numbers together to get our final answer. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 7 plus 4 equals 11. 1 carry the 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 0 plus 6 equals 6. And we have our final answer. 727 times 91 equals 66,157. Don't worry about getting answers wrong. I've gotten some answers wrong from time to time. There's times where I've gotten an answer wrong, realized it, and then retried it and got it right. You know, so it happens to everybody. Michael Jordan's missed some jump shots. Mathematicians have gotten problems wrong. It happens to everybody. Never be ashamed if you got an answer wrong. All right. Stay tuned for the final problem of the live stream. All right, our final example problem is 982 times 35. So we start in the ones place. We start off by multiplying 2 times 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. Shout out to the person in the chat. We are off to a good start. Now, anytime our product is 10 or more, we have to regroup. So the 0 and 10 goes in the ones place. The 1 and 10 gets carried over to the tens place. Next, we are multiplying 8 times 5. 8 times 5 equals 40, plus 1 is 41. Shout out to the person in the chat. He's got it right so far. So the 1 in 41 goes in the tens place. The 4 in 41 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 9 times 5 equals 45, plus 4 equals 49. So far, we have multiplied 982 times 5. Next, we got to multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. And since both digits in the ones place have been multiplied, we are going to put a 0 in the ones place. All right, next, 2 times 3, we have to multiply 2 times 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. Next, we multiply 8 times 3. 8 times 3 equals 24. 4 carry the 2. Last, we multiply 9 times 3. 9 times 3 equals 27. Plus 2 equals 29. And to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 9 plus 4 equals 13. 3 carry the 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5, plus 9. 9 plus 4 equals 13. 3 carry the 1. 4 plus 9, 9 equals 13, plus 1 equals 14. 4 carry the 1. And 1 plus 2 equals 3. And we have our final answer. 982 times 35 equals 34,370. All right, that is my live stream for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off. Shout out to everybody that tunes in and everybody that hit the like button. I appreciate you being here. And I will see you all again soon. Have a great day and God bless.